Welcome back to Guitalele tutorials. Welcome to the second video of our beginner course level 2. In this particular video we are going to talk about A minor pentatonic scale. So we are just going to look into the scale and how to play it. We are not going to go into the deep theory of it, how pentatonic scale works, what minor scales are and all. We already have one video on C major scale that I covered as part of one of our Guitalele theory video. This one will be a tenor to more practical side of the playing. The theory and all will be covering in one of the theory videos. The notes that we are going to play in A minor pentatonic scale is A, C, D, E and G. 6 string open A, the lowest A we can get into Guitalele. Okay, and then the second note is D, that we play on the 3rd fret of the 6th string, again here. Okay, the next one is the D, that's the 5th string open. Okay, that directly comes from the tuning. Okay, and the 2nd fret of 5th string is the E. Okay, and then the 4th string open is G, again that comes directly from the tuning, right? Okay, so that is one octave. The next octave would be to go again with starting from A. So the next octave again starts from A, so that we get from the 4th string 2nd fret, right? Okay, 4th string 2nd fret, it was little bit weird, I played a wrong string. Okay, so 4th string 2nd fret. Okay, so this is your A. Again the next one is C, that directly comes from tuning, that is the 3rd string. Okay, the next one is D, so that's the D that comes in the 3rd string 2nd fret. Okay, the next one directly comes from tuning of 2nd string, that's E. Okay, then the G comes in the 2nd string 3rd fret. The last one comes again from the tuning A. I'll make one fret diagram so you can look into that, so you can find it in the description. Everything put together sounds like this. One thing I would say is that practice this one, but instead of first practicing for the speed, practice for the accuracy first. Okay, so you should be playing everything very properly. Okay, like this, and then work on your speed. So accuracy is more important here, so keep that in mind. So hopefully you like this lesson, and in our next lesson we'll see something more on this particular series. So signing off, bye.